Hello, I'm Dr. Babcock of Trinity Chiropractic,
And I am Brittany.
and today we're going to go over one of my favorite exercises for the neck and for the upper back. We use these exercises frequently for people who have been involved in auto accidents or people who sit a lot behind a desk. After time, their neck starts to get a little bit sore and stiff. So this is called the chin tuck. And so the basic of this exercise is you're going to start with your neutral position. You want to make sure you're looking straight ahead, and then you want to bring your head backwards without rotating your head or without extending it up or down. And then when it's back, you want to hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds and bring it back to neutral again. You don't want to extend it up too far. We just want it to neutral again. So you want to do this about 3 sets of 10, holding it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Another variation of this is doing exactly the same thing, but you can hold it for a longer time, like up to 10 seconds. Another thing you can do is you can put a resistance on there, like you could stand against a wall, you can get like a ball, something that's squishy, and then you can push against it and then do that as well for 3 seconds, working up to 10 seconds. Another variation is when you bring your chin in, and then from this position, then you tilt your head backwards, keeping your chin tucked, holding that, and then bring it back in that tilt position, and then back to neutral. So all of these works the muscles of your neck and your upper back to get them stronger. Other variations is you can do this on the floor, then putting resistance with your head back onto the floor. There's so many different variations. This is a great exercise to build strength to your neck, especially after like an accident or while you're working on front of a computer. All right, if you have any questions for us, just let us know. You can reach us at the number or the email below. Thank you.